Okay, today we're going to be simplifying and rewriting expressions. Okay, this is going to seem just a little bit easy, and it should be. What if we had a plus a plus a? How much would that be? Could we rewrite it as 3a? Why not write it as 2a plus a? Both of those are correct. They're both equivalent to a plus a plus a. On our next one, we have a plus b plus a plus b. Well, could we rearrange things since it's all adding to be a plus b plus b? Could we write it as 2a plus 2b? Sure, why not? Matter of fact, if you wanted to, you could even write that as 2 times a plus b. Don't believe me? We'll do a little distributive property and see that it works out as 2a plus 2b, which, as we've looked at our work before, that tells us that all of those are equivalent to each other. In other words, they're all the same thing. Well, equivalent to each other. They're just written in different ways. All right, this one's a little more trickier. If we write down all the a's together, is that legal? Well, it would be if we change these to add the opposite. And these would really be adding negative b's. Okay, so we could have 3a plus negative 3b, or we could have 3a minus 3b. We could do the distributive property if we wanted to. So it just depends upon how we write the problems. If we change things to adding, we can use all of our little properties to switch things around. 5a plus 2a. Well, you could write that as 5a's plus 2a's, and you could get 7a. Could you write it as 3a plus 4a? Sure, why not? As long as it totals up to 7a. Okay, in this case, you're going, we have 4a and 2a, and then there's this one that's a little out of place. Well, you can only add together terms that are like. In other words, the a's go together. So you would have 6a. The 1 is what we call a constant. So it goes by itself. Now, if you want some more help with combining like terms, there is a whole video on that. Okay, this one, maybe I write it as 3a plus b. I could write it as 2a plus b plus a plus b. Okay, I could write it as a plus b plus a plus b plus a plus b, or I could write it as 3a plus 3b, or maybe even 3a's plus 3b's. The point is, you want to look at all the different ways that you can write expressions. So just take your time, play with them, and most of the time when you see this on a test, it's going to be a multiple choice, or actually multiple select, which ones of these are equivalent to the original expression.